We become a dog.
Cool. AumSum loves dogs.
Point number 1.
If we become a dog, we may now have to eat like a dog.
Point number 2.
If we become a dog, we may not be able to control our barking.
Point number 3.
If we become a dog, we may now have to walk on a leash.
Point number 4.
If we become a dog, our pet cats may not like us anymore.
Point number 5.
If we become a dog, mobiles may be taken away from us.
Point number 6.
If we become a dog, we may now start licking to show our affection.
Point number 7.
If we become a dog, we may now start sniffing everything.
Point number 8.
If we become a dog, we may now start urinating anywhere.
Point number 9.
If we become a dog, thieves may get caught very easily.
Point number 10.
If we become a dog, we may even start chasing our tail.